Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you something super quick and useful. It's how to like your Roblox game on your PS5 in just a few seconds. So if you enjoy playing games and you want to support your favorites on your PS5, stick with me because this guide is fast, simple, and beginner friendly. So grab your controller and let's get started. So if you're playing Roblox on your PS5 PlayStation console, here's how to like the game. Launch the Roblox from the PS5 or PS4 home screen, and once you've launched it, find the game that you want to like by searching for it or by looking in your recently played list. Use the touchpad or the analog stick to move the cursor over the like button and press the X button to like the game. The like button will change color slightly to confirm that you liked it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.